I know it's the alarm, but I'm just here once again by myself, trying to enjoy nature after work. Staying in the office all day really isn't really like, um, yeah, staying being in air conditioned all day. It doesn't really benefit you anything, especially sitting down around the computer. It doesn't benefit you anything. Everybody needs to decompress. I definitely need to decompress. I try to decompress like this every single day. That's why I even make videos every single day. Just like being in nature, by being by myself, just chilling, for real, enjoying the small things like the silence. I know I'm talking right now, but the silence. God knows how much I really don't like long sleeve shirts or ties, even though that's the attire I have to wear for work every day. But I really don't like it. Just have it because yeah, just wear it because yeah, just wear it because that's what's needed. You know, I was really there like chilling in the car. Feel like I wanted to go sleep. Hella tired. I'm like, so hella tired. I'm like, yeah, I don't know, I just haven't really felt anything. If anything, I feel nothing. Nothing in a way that I don't care about anything or anyone or something like that. It's just like sometimes you just go into this state. Have you ever gone into that state? Just you're just like you're just there, and you're normally in that state. You don't tend to stay in that state for like a while. It don't tend to be like oh that you're sad. It don't tend to be like oh that you're happy. It's just a state where you can't explain it. Like it's a state. I really can't explain the state, but I'm pretty sure some people probably experience it as well. Like, mm, yeah, that's just what it is. It happens. That's what I'm feeling. That's how I felt. I'm not really feeling like that. I probably feel like that a little bit, but the more I'm walking, the more I'm like getting out, the more I'm just moving around. The feeling kind of drifts. It kind of fades. So maybe do if you do feel that feeling, because the feeling is not sadness, but it's close. It's not sadness, but it's not a positive. It's not really a positive feeling. So any feeling that's not positive, then maybe it should be bad because like what's not good is bad. Enter. Um. So yeah, but if you are feeling that feeling, what I've just figured out is that the more I walk around, the more I just move, get up and move, get up and do something, I start to feel better now. I am feeling better right now. I'm not even gonna lie to you. So that's probably it. Just need to move. The sun's about to set. It actually is setting. Um, my video is not really long. I'm not gonna be here for like an hour or 30 minutes videoing, recording myself. So for those of you who want to know where I am, that's a subscribers. By the way, thank you for the 500 subscribers. It means a lot deeply. But for those of you who want to know where I'm located, I'm in a country, Antigua. The country is known as Antigua and Barbuda. Antigua and Barbuda. That's the country. Um, so yeah, I'm just here right now. I'm close to home. Close to home. I normally just come up this small little hill like to chill, relax after work. Just yeah, come up here sometimes pray, give thanks to God. Some come up here sometimes for peace. Just come up here sometimes for silence, because you can't really get peace from something external. Yeah, it's peaceful up here, but that really doesn't bring you peace. What brings you peace is your mind, how you perceive the situation and the circumstance around you, and not to be shaped or influenced really by your environment, but to let their inward thought, your internal, then shape and rearrange how you view your external. That's how it is. So, that would be all. But if you are looking for a real message, it's basically the same thing that I've normally always said. Is like just keep going. This is like a cool little chill video to me. Um, I like these videos the most, even if it may or may not get a million views. Like it's just real. It's just authentic. I'm just in my element. I'm being a regular human being because I'm a regular person just like you. Just being regular, not trying to force anything, not trying to push something out there that's not there, not trying to feel something I'm not feeling right now. I'm just here, taking life one step at a time. Keep going.